Let's get into the bob. Y'all, it's been so long since I wore a bob, so I was so excited to try this unit out, and it literally came ready to wear, so let's get into it. So this unit is from Nadula Hair. Let's go ahead and unbox it. It came with an elastic band, and the hair is a 14-inch Yaki Straight Bob wig. And this is a wear and go wig, so it does come with pre-cut lace and bleach knots. I love wigs that I can just throw on, so this was right up my alley. It also has adjustable straps and clips for security. Here's how the hair looks straight out of the packaging. I did absolutely nothing to it, and as you can see, it's very flowy, and the lace was bleached so well. Everything looks nice. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and just flat iron it a little bit. Just from it being in the packaging, I just wanted to kind of refresh the hair a little bit. And I love this Yaki Straight texture because it kind of mimics like my hair whenever I get like a silk press, so it really makes the wig look really natural. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and continue flat ironing the hair, and I'll catch back up with you guys when it's time to install. And the lace already did look super natural, but I'm going to go in with my lace tint and spray just to make it blend in with my scalp even more. And I just went ahead and put the wig on, make sure everything was in place and fitting nicely. And they really did do a good job with this lace, y'all. I was impressed as soon as I put the wig on. Then I took my flat iron and pressed it along the back of the wig because it was a little hump back there, but I got it straightened out for the most part. And then I picked up this lace tint powder from the beauty supply store, and this was my first time seeing this. Maybe I'm a little late to the game, but I just added a little bit of that to the part as well. Alright y'all, so here's the final look. I think it turned out so cute. Like I said, it's been so long since I wore a bob unit. I probably will be dyeing this hair black and wearing it again. And again, this hair is from Nadula Hair. This is their 14-inch Yaki Straight Bob wig, and it's a wear and go wig, so literally it comes with pre-cut lace and bleach knots. I have all of the information for this hair down in my description box, so definitely check that out. I have a lot of good Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals, so definitely get on top of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.